Hi, this is Nanette Hosenfeld with the Great Basin Smoke Dispersion Briefing for Wednesday, December 2nd, 2020. Looking at precipitation over the past 7 days, precipitation has generally been below normal across the entire Great Basin. Areas across the north have fared better than areas further south with a bit of precipitation, but still below normal across pretty much the entire Great Basin. If we look at snowfall, there has been some light snow across the higher elevations of Utah and Idaho over the past few days, but nothing too significant as far as accumulation. And snow depth, the snow cover is still just mainly across those higher elevations. Satellite this morning shows a high pressure ridge just to our west with a pretty strong low pressure system to the east, and the Great Basin caught in between those two weather systems. For today, we have quite a bit of dry air in place across the Great Basin. Ventilation indices are the best across the eastern part of the Great Basin. If we look at the transport winds for today and the mixing height, it really points out how across the eastern part of the Great Basin we do have those better transport winds and better mixing heights. As we move into Thursday, high pressure strengthens across the area, and we will see a decrease in mixing across the entire Great Basin. With that high pressure building, our transport winds will be much lighter. Our mixing heights also go down pretty significantly as well. And moving into Friday, keeping that high pressure in place across the Great Basin with that poor mixing. With high pressure, again, we'll see another day of low mixing heights and light transport winds. The Utah Forecast Clearing Index shows how we really see a rapid decrease in clearing indices over the next few days with that high pressure building. It's looking really dry across the Great Basin through Friday. And then as we move into Saturday, models are starting to hint at a weak storm system moving through the northern part of the Great Basin. Looks like ventilation indices will be poor to fair on Saturday. And moving into Sunday, we could start to see some improvement with that weather system moving into the Great Basin, and continued improvement moving into Monday. And then Tuesday, looking at a decrease in the ventilation indices across the north. The 4 to 5 day period, it's also looking really quite dry. Not much is in the forecast really for the next 7 days across the Great Basin. And then looking in the 8 to 14 day period, still not looking great. We're looking at a continued period with unusually warm and dry conditions across the Great Basin. That is it for the briefing. If there are any questions, please contact us. Our information is on the screen, and you can also find us on Twitter. Thank you.